Hi, boys and girls. This is Diebulfrog79. This is going to be a really short one. Hubble's Cap, Emergency Lifestyle Practice, blah blah. Just add more words to Hubble's Cap. Did bring out a good subject about the 9-inch pen. It's Teflon, yes. Also, you don't do it a direct flame. Okay, even Uncle Alan knows that. And Uncle Alan's been using these things for years. Reason why makes a toxic gas. Okay, dry, it produces a toxic gas on open flame, like wood flame. Never ever do that. Gas flame, open flame takes indirect heat. So basically, if I have a lot of small stones, coals, get that heated up, then you put it on the pan. Okay? No direct flame. Produces a poison gas. Duh. Most of the time, Uncle Alan, instead of using it as a fry pan, I use it to eat food out of it. It's 9 inches. Now, if they make an enamelware or a stainless steel pan, I'll switch over to that. Now, this one is a pie tin, non-enamel, stainless steel. But look at that rim. It's flat. It's great for frying stuff. Okay? No Teflon, great. But if you try to eat out of it, if it's not a pancake or a fish, yeah, it's all right. But eat beans or soup, okay, that's fine for eating. So don't put this in an open flame or fire unless you want to kill everybody at the campsite with toxic gas. Indirect heat. Okay, for some of us, we know how to cook. And if we're going to get gas, that's with flame. You can put this in a 10-inch, whatchamacallit, 10-inch camp oven. Put it in there. You want to make pizza, you want to make cake, you use one of these. Okay? Indirect heat. A lot of people are like, dude, I don't understand that. Well, you haven't been cooking outside. How am I going to make a pie without a Teflon pan? Okay? You need a camp oven. Duh. Lordy. People like, yeah, we'll just stick it in the flames of the fire. Know how to cook that? Duh. And see, I'm like, they're all dead. Okay? If you want to fry fish direct, this is what I'm calling you. It's a small stainless steel pizza plate. So before you do something stupid, morning. No, it's not Jack and Pepsi. Jack or Dr. Pepper. It's coffee and Jack. So it's okay to use these in Dutch ovens and some other things. Great. Be right back. My alarm sounded off. Okay. Dang nabbit. Again. Okay for eating food. Like soups and stews. Fine. No open flame. Remember that, folks. If it's stainless, fine for open flame. Fine for pancakes. Fine for fish. I'll try to do the pancake bit in a few minutes if I have pancake mix someplace and the alarm doesn't sound off. Okay, well, catch you later, folks. Like and subscribe. This is Diebulfrog79, old Uncle Al. It's a little bit too early in the morning, and I'm going through my emails and comments and stuff. So, like I said, leave your comments for the temporal thing. Their Star Trek is fiction, and a lot of people in England are going to look at Hubble's cap. If you got any complaints about there's no such thing, go complain on his channel. Okay, his channel. Go complain on that. It's too early in the morning, and Uncle Alan's still a little hurt, so gotta drink. Like Steve Foco says, coffee and Jack. Oh boy. So I'll catch you in a little bit. Bye.